Hey guys, it's me Junkie Boy, and today I'm going to show you how to make an icon. So you're going to click on the pink cross at the bottom and click edit. I'm going to go on free images and find an aesthetic background, but if you already have one, just use that one. So all I typed in was aesthetic background and chose the one I wanted, which was a rainbow pastel one. So if your thing is not a square, you're gonna crop it to one. You're gonna crop it to a square basically, one by one, and you're gonna do the circle tool and make it the biggest as you can, because that's gonna be the icon, and make the border to 0. So after you've done that, you're gonna go on sticker and you're gonna type in overlay. Well, I already have these ones, but if you want to find some, type in overlay. You'll see me do that in a minute. Oh yeah, okay. Before I did that, I cropped it again and I made the border 0 so that it was easier to work with. So then here is when so what I done was I want to make a cool effect. So I went to artistic, I went to pastel, and I made everything 0 except the brightness. I made that 100 so it was white like this. Then I got the same sticker. I positioned it so that it looked like it was sort of a shadow, and then I cropped it again. I filtered that because I thought it would look better with a filter. So I filtered that and I used that filter. So after that, I got in, this is where I typed in overlay. And as you can see, there are loads of overlays you can choose out of. I was sort of just messing around with them, choosing which ones to pick. I didn't pick this. I was just messing around to see which one would look nice with this edit. I ended up choosing 2 pairs of these lines. Put one there, and I put one at the opposite side. I typed it in again, and I found a cute pair of like little hanging moons and stars, which I thought would look cute on the edit, so I chose them. As you can see, I was just experimenting on which ones would look better or not. So there you can see I got the hanging moons and stars, and I put them just above her head. I tried putting them in lighten mode and screen mode, but it just didn't look right, so I kept it on normal. Tried putting something like this on, but I just couldn't figure out where I'd put it to look nice, so I just left this out. As you can see, I tried places, but it didn't look good, so yeah, I just stuck with another one of these lines. And then after I cropped it again, so that there's no excess. Then I saved it to my gallery to put it onto Phonto. So I put it on Phonto. And you could add a filter here, but it's optional. I didn't. So the first thing I did was I downloaded my font. So you go on My Fonts, you click How to Install Fonts. You don't really have to, but you can just go onto the internet, but you see what I do later. So you go on a website called Dafont, D-A-F-O-N-T, Dafont. And yeah, this popped up, but me being so dumb, clicked whatever it said next. Okay, so as you can see, it says Dafont. You go on that, and the font I used was Beauty and the Beast. So there it is. So next you click download, and it comes up a zip. You click open in Phonto, and you click install, just as I did. And then, yeah, you've got your font downloaded. So it should be in the My Fonts column. So yeah, what I done was I added a border. I went to add item, and I went to the star column thingy-majig, and I added the circle. So I made it thinner, and I made it white because it started off black. So everything new was on this iPad since this isn't mine. I have all my fonts and stuff on my other iPad, but it's dead currently, so yeah. So as you can see, I made it a bit smaller, as a bit thinner, as I realized it was too fat. So yeah. Okay, now I typed in my font. So the thing at the beginning of the font, the three things, since this isn't my type of iPad, it took me quite a while to find what you had to use to do it, but I found it in the end. So it was them type of brackets. I don't know what they're called. Just, if you know, tell me, because I don't know what they're called. But yeah, I put one at either side. So yeah. The next thing I did was I saw a video where it was 5 cool Phonto effects. I'll try and link that down below, but whoever made that video, I give credit to you. And I tried their glow pattern, well, glow effect, but it looked nice and all, and it worked out, but it didn't really, like, you couldn't really see it on my edit. So yeah, that was bad. But as you could see, it glowed, which was really cute, actually. So yeah, but it didn't, you couldn't really see it on my edit, so I just stuck with an ombre. Color pattern. Now to make a color pattern or ombre or whatever you like to call it, you'll see me do this right now. So I went on color, and then I clicked create color palette, and I just made it so that the colors from left to right were getting lighter to darker. I clicked horizontal C in the corner, and I just clicked vertical, and then apply, and then so I could see it, I made the stroke the same, a dark pink color, so that you could see it. So there. And I realized I'd spaced it out too much, so yeah, I did fix that. So yeah, then once you're done, you can save it to your gallery, and you're done.